Hello, YC. The time is pretty funny. I know. The goal of breadcrumbs is goal-oriented upskilling. And right, you start with a subject you want to understand and a goal. We're different than a Google search in that it's to learn the esoteric skills to actually be able to learn. So, okay, let's say I want to learn about Egypt. My goal is I want to become a or as experienced as an Egyptologist. So we can take any model day one. That's what a lot of the infrastructure we're building on has been. Now we have these things called slices, right? Slices are basically conceptualizations. We have some predefined, but in a subject, for the very specific subject, what is it that you want to understand, the little sort of bits and pieces, right? Such that you would need them in order to, fulfill your ultimate goal. Why go about doing things this way? Because often, and the reason why I even started doing this in the first place is it doesn't, at some point in starting, it does not even matter, right? Um, if you want to learn something, the limitation is even the knowledge, the right exact names of things to ask, such that you can actually move forward in your goal and learning journey. Now, right, it also, like, not only will expose you towards things, right, it will do so in a way such that, well, given the actual context of who you are with our passport system, given the context of, what your actual given purpose is, and any other sort of constraints that you may have along the way, you are able to sort of have things expressed to you in a very specific way. Then we have this thing called the connect feature, where you can connect features you've actually clicked beforehand, right? Connect it and then get what their relationship is between each other, as well as the relationship in the overall topic, as well as the overall idea of, how do these things, how are they similar? How do they differ? And right now we're using Llama. Obviously, not everything is currently working at the moment, but let me go actually to a place where it's actually a better use case to see. So here's an example of using it over a long enough time with lots of different chats. If we look here, ooh, it's going to load it all. We'll see what's called the map feature, right? Where using the vector embedding similarity, cosine similarity of each individual component, along with the individual sort of clicked sort of crumbs throughout the various landmarks that are set. And by the way, you can set a landmark on any crumb, basically just finds all of the associated ideas and generates a sort of new branch based off that thing. But that's breadcrumbs. It's live. It works. It's beautiful. Thank you.